I love cupcakes because they're so beautiful and delicious. But there's one thing about cupcakes that I don't like. It's that after I eat it, then it's gone. But I got an idea. What if we paint one? Then we'll always have it. Will you help me paint one?
Yeah.
What about you? Come on, let's do this together. First, grab some paints, okay, any color you like. Brushes, a paper towel, and a cup with water. And also, don't forget a paper or board or any surface you like to paint on. All right, let's get started. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, grab a brush. And I'll grab a brush too. First, we're going to get started with the cup of the cupcake. So, pick any color you like. What color would you like to start with?
Blue.
Blue? Okay, I'm going to pick purple. All right. We're going to start by creating a rectangle or square for the cup of your cupcake. So right in the center, let's make a rectangle or a square, which is one side shorter than the other for the rectangle, and then another side. How about you make a dot here, and then another one here, make a dot here, there, and another dot here, and a dot here. There you go. You have a rectangle. Now color it in. Make it all blue. And I'm gonna make mine.
Ta-da!
Yay, that looks great. All right, we're gonna move right along. Next, we'll paint the cake inside the cup. Now we get to choose our flavor. What flavor cupcake do you want?
Strawberry.
Strawberry? Well, you can pick any other flavor like vanilla, chocolate, red velvet, or strawberry. All right, I think I'm gonna pick vanilla. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's get your brush now. Okay, pick the strawberry color, which is
Red.
red. I'm going to use white and a little bit of yellow to make vanilla color. Now we're going to make a half circle.
You did it.
You did it. Good job. Color it in. Good job. That looks great. Okay, clean your brush now. Now it's a very fun part. We're going to make our nice, sweet icing on top of the cake. It could also be any color you like. What color are you going to pick for your icing?
Light blue.
Light blue? I want light blue too. Okay, how do we make light blue? White and blue make light blue. All right. Very nice. You can put it right over here. Mix it together. Okay, now go right on top of your cake. And we're going to place it right on it. And you can just dab. Next, we're going to paint the cherry on top. Yes! Let's get some red. And right in the middle of the icing, right on top of it, is where the cherry goes. A nice little circle.
Ta-da!
Yay, fill it in. And more circular, like a ball. Color it in. There you go. That's a beautiful cherry. Now with that little brush, just grab some white and we're gonna do a little white dot on the cherry just to give it a little sparkle. That's called a highlight. Here, da, just a little dot. Woohoo! Yay! Clean it off. Now we're gonna do a really fun part. It's the sprinkles. Everybody loves sprinkles. Sprinkles come in every single color in the rainbow. So just have fun with it. All right, grab a color. I'm gonna start with, you're gonna start with red? Okay, start with red. Make little dots around your icing. Now clean it up. Make sure you clean your brush between colors. Let's add some details to our cupcake. You see these ridges that you see on the cup? Do you think we can make that? Do you think you can do that?
Yeah.
All right, grab your small brush and we're going to grab some black. And now right on the cup, which was the rectangle or the square that you made, we're going to outline that and make vertical lines that go up and down on the cup. You can outline it too. Here, buddy, follow the shape of your rectangle. Can you follow the shape? Now, our cupcake is pretty much done, but I think the sides are a little bit empty, don't you think? What if we add some confetti? Do you like confetti?
Yeah.
Okay, confetti is very easy to make. It's pretty much just like you made the sprinkles. It's gonna be a bunch of colorful dots. I love dots. Yeah, let's add some color. And we're going to dot, dot, dot. Just make some dots around your cupcake. Yay, dots. Scatter them around evenly. Clean your brush and add a new color. Our cupcakes are done. They look beautiful. Do you like it? Do you like yours? I'm so happy you decided to join us. All right, now we'll always have a cupcake even after we eat it, right?
Yeah.
Yay!